Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive in Caringbah, Sydney. I've got a Porsche 997 today. Just want to show you, we've done the major service already, new spark plugs. That's all done, but I just want to show you something that I can see. It is pretty common now. They're starting to leak, all of them. You can see see that? See that red stain there? That's your heat exchanger or oil cooler leaking, starting to leak. I'm not sure how long it's going to hold on, but if they leak, then what happens is the actual oil and water will mix. And it will take longer to actually fix the problem, because you need to flush it a couple of times and keep cleaning it until you, sorry, let me put it back to normal. That's better. Sorry. Okay. Oil cooler is leaking, and look at the bump stop on this side here. It's cracked. It's nearly fallen off. As you can see, that one there is gone. It's only half left on that one. Okay. Because this one is a four-wheel drive, so you got to remove the drive shaft. It's not a normal. The normal one's much easier to do, but this one here is a four-wheel drive system. So the drive shaft, the hub, everything has to come off before you take the shock out, because otherwise you'll break the arms, because they're all aluminium. You can't just pry it out like the normal one. The steering rack is starting to leak. The boot's a bit of oil there when we checked it on both sides, and the horn. It's inside here. They're starting to sound funny because one of them, I think the low tone is gone and the high tone is just starting to, usually it's louder than that when we test it, but it's starting to go. The front bar's got to come off to get it done properly. Yeah, the brakes are good. We checked the brake fluid, just 1%, so that's good as well. This car's pretty clean. Just those two little things that I was talking about that needs to be done before we actually move forward. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.